Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Siva2. So today we will learn about how to send an email using AWS SES, that is Simple Email Service. To send an email through AWS you need to have an account on AWS. So let's start. So this is the AWS website and we can search just Google AWS SES. So here you can see Amazon Simple Email Service (SES) is a cost-effective, flexible, and scalable email service that enables developers to send email from within any applications. So this is a simple email service. By using this, we can send an email through any application within any application. So we need to sign in to this console, like AWS console. So just to start, I have already an account on AWS. So just we need to sign in. So I am signing through this root user. You can create IAM user also. V8 and 81. Okay. Right. So we need to 64. Okay. So right now we are logged in AWS Management Console. So this is the AWS. So if you have recently visited this AWS SES, then you can just click over here. Else you need to search here SES. It will pop up the so here Amazon Simple Email Service. This is a very simple feature. So here you can see this is the account dashboard and daily sending quota is 200 emails per 24-hour period and maximum send rate is 1 email per second. So this is the normal the free account feature, but we can scale up these features. So the first thing is, if you want to send an email using AWS SES, then you need to verify your identity. So here you can click verify identity and you need to create an identity. So you can verify your identity. You can define your type of identity in two types. Like one is domain. Domain in the sense, suppose you are having an organization like google.com. So gmail.com is the domain or the subdomain. So like that you can verify your domain. If you have your personal domain, then you can verify over here and you can send any email from that. So currently we will follow this email address directly. So I'll just provide my email. Now we'll just create identity. So in this simple email service, this is mandatory. If you are not verified, then you cannot send email to anyone and anyone cannot send to you. So this is the first thing. You need to be verified identity in the AWS. Then only you can send an email. Like it is not clickable. If you want to click, it is not clickable because this is not verified. So you will be getting an email through AWS to verify your account, as just we created this identity. So just I'm going to my account, Gmail account, and here I'll click refresh. Okay, I got this email. I'll click over here this link. So congratulations, you have successfully verified an email address. You can now start sending email from this address. So In AWS, the account which is verified from only from that account only you can send email. If you want to send any other email address, then it will throw an exception. Like suppose we want to send an email, so just custom and give your email address. Like suppose I am giving sivaji@gmail.com, so it will throw an exception. This is optional configuration set. Now click on the send email. So this message can't be sent because it contains invalid content. Email address is not verified. So this email is not verified, so you cannot send it. If I will use that one 191295, this is verified. If I will send, see, I received that email, testing email, and this subject test. So this is a very simple. Like using this, you can create number of identities, or you can directly verify the domain, and you can start sending the emails. And this feature we can achieve in our Java coding also. That is AWS Java SDK we need to use, and I will be uploading that video also, like how we can integrate this SES in our Java application. Hope you like this video and you understand this concept. So if you like this video, then please share this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.